Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by waking your Apple Watch and opening the conversation or field where you want to type. Tap the text area. Once it appears, look for the Scribble interface or input alternatives. If you see Scribble, tap its options or press firmly to reveal the keyboard icon. Once done, select the keyboard option to switch modes. This ensures you are typing instead of drawing. Make sure to use the most recent watch OS layout, since labels and gestures can differ between versions. You now type using the compact keyboard. Tap letters deliberately and use quick path swipe typing when available to speed up input. Watch predictive suggestions above the keys. Tapping one inserts an entire word, so you make fewer errors and finish faster. If a long phrase is easier, make sure to tap the mic for dictation, then refine words by typing or selecting predictions. Once comfortable, combine typing, quick path, and suggestions to keep messages short and accurate without reverting to Scribble. You finish by reviewing the typed text and tapping send. Use the backspace key to correct mistakes or tap a suggestion to replace a word quickly. If the keyboard does not appear, make sure both devices are updated and then restart the watch and paired iPhone. That often restores keyboard options. If the issue persists, open the watch app on iPhone, check messages and keyboard settings, and reset input preferences. This single troubleshooting tip solves most missing keyboard problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.